Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into this week 5, I believe, of OpNet, their tasks. And this one is a bit tricky because it will require you to deploy your own OP20 token, and there are no straightforward instructions, except some generous minds in the Discord have been able to help out. So we will show you how to do that and add your deployed token to the token pool, so that way you can make swaps, because it is required to make token swaps from the tokens that you create. So we'll dive into that, but before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. And OpNet, accumulating points, so we're making some progress, and you can too by following along. I have a Discord, link is down below. You can also follow me on Twitter at the BCR142. I co-host a show twice a week called DeFi, Crypto, and Airdrops every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, where I go live with Veteran Crypto, the host, Veteran for Crypto, great DeFi mind, hardworking dude. He's retired, but he's still working hard. And our Twitter, the underscore only underscore DCA. So check us out, give us a follow. But yeah, OpNet, and jump on our Discord too. Links are down below. So OpNet, deploy your own token, then add liquidity to your deployed token pair, and then execute 5 swaps in your tokens pool, 10, 20, or 10, 30, 50. So then we got the standard, Bitcoin to OP20, and then OP20 to Bitcoin, and then staking. But we will do the difficult one first, deploy your own OP20 token. Now this requires opbrew.io. I'll post the link as well. And I got some instructions. So go to IPBrew, connect your wallet, which is right here, connect your wallet. Go to Tools and select the first one, OP20 token generator, or go right here, because there's taxable token minter. So OP20 token generator, name your token with no space, or BCR142, BCR, and then maximum supply, 1042, and token decimals 0. Deploy token. All right, let's see what this be like. We'll sign it, seal it, and no. Let's see. We have enough balance. Dang. Let's check out the Discord. Let's check out this Discord real quick and see if we can find something good. Up. Dang, it looks like everybody. Okay, well, so this is how you deploy the token. It looks like in the Discord, everybody's having trouble right now. So let me see if I can get the rest of the instructions. Yeah, after you deploy, go to My Deployments. So once that comes back up and that works, in here, you'll see your deployment. And then you'll see the token and the contract address. And copy the contract address, and then we'll go to Motoswap. And you can search it in the liquidity. But we'll do that when it comes back up. I'll do a separate video to cover that. But right now, we will do our usual, go up here to the faucet. Where's the faucet? Get Testnet Bitcoin. And put your address. Make sure it's your Bitcoin address right here. Hit the CAPTCHA. Put that thing right there. CAPTCHA failed. But you can claim that right there. Claim some OP20 pills. And then remember, we will start down at the bottom. Swap Moto to B1. So here on Motoswap, you can go up to Utilities, hit Motoswap, and it will take you here. So we will go from Moto to B1, right? And if you don't see B1, go back over here, click this to copy, go over here, paste that right there, and you will see BT1. So you want to swap some Moto to BT1 and confirm. And that will give you a nice little transaction right there. Sent. We can close out of that. So this, boom, done. Stake Moto on Motoswap. So let's go over here to stake. And we have some Moto right here. Let's just stake. We'll stake 40. We'll stake 40 on it. Okay. Now that one done. Next, we will add liquidity to the Moto pill liquidity pool. So go over here to pools. Go to add liquidity. And it says Moto pill. Do Moto and pill. And do 2. Don't give me that. There we go. Just click it again if it doesn't go through immediately. So boom, liquidity added. So let's check over here. So this swap was completed. This stake is pending. And then our liquidity pool will be right after that. So we go back over here and we've done these 3. Next, we'll add liquidity to the BT1 Moto pool. And again, click this address to copy it. If you don't see any tokens here, just paste and you'll find BT1 and Moto right there. So we will add liquidity to this. We'll just add 5 on it. All right. And it will require an equal amount, so it'll put it automatically. And bada boom. So we've added that. Let's check our transactions. Okay. We've gotten those completed. Now we stake Moto on Motoswap. Now go over here to farm. Under Motoswap, go to farm, and that will take you to the wonderful Motoswap. Motoswap. We will view the menu right here, and it says stake Moto and stake TBTC on Motoswap. Oh, and stake pill Moto. So this action right here, this Moto pill liquidity pool, you have a token that you can put into this right here. So we'll go in a row. We'll just go one at a time. Harvest and unstake. And then restake. And do we have to click it again? Yeah. There we go. Confirm. Let's stake our Bitcoin. Okay. Let's go to menu. Hopefully that'll work. It's been kind of weird, but this one we will add to our stake. We're just going to add 2. Okay, and then we will go over here to the last one and add just the maximum stake. Your maximum stake. And bada bing, bada boom. So that's all of these. Now verify completion. Bum 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 bum. Ooh yeah. Look at that. There we go. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. Okay, now these ones, it will take a while. I still haven't figured out the best way for the Bitcoins to, oh, we got to go to trade. For the Bitcoin to be swapped, I think it's, I think you have to open it in separate windows. But either way, pill and Moto, you want to swap these two for Bitcoin. Oh yeah, it has to be it has to be at least 0.0005. So just remember that. And then from Bitcoin, we'll do a couple of swaps this way. And I think it seems like the transactions have been going faster, so that's good. They've really been working on getting the throughput out. They said break the testnet for real. So they're saying break the fucking testnet, bro. Yeah, they heard their Discord is bum bum bum. Okay. We'll do a couple more this way. since they seem to be moving pretty quick. Okay, they're still pending though. And then 800. But then we got to do the other way, which will... So open up a couple of these windows. And so 0.0005 is the minimum, right? So let's move this into Moto. So reserve swap. And go here, Bitcoin to pill, 0.00052, just a little bit more. Do reserve swap. I guess this is how it's done. I'm just guessing at this point, but we'll see. Okay. So you do have to wait for these to be done. But those do take a little while while we wait on that. Yeah, I'll have to come back once the OP brew is up and ready to go. But that should get you going for now. And if you can execute some of those swaps, let's see, there's still, okay, I have some that completed. So let's check and double check. And make sure that boom, 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 boom. We'll check on where we are at. Oh yeah, don't forget these social tasks. And we've got 3. Okay, cool. So these will take a while, but these you can get done, knock them out, probably in a day. But I'm still waiting on these swap Bitcoin to OP20. And yeah, so we'll see how this goes. But if you do need any other help or just want to chat about crypto, jump in the Discord. All that stuff links down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies.